Oh, excuse me. Anyways, what's up, guys? It's your girl, Lex. Well, I know it's been a minute and like probably 3,500 million goddamn years since you guys heard my voice from the voice review, which is like last year. You're back at it again. But let's get to it, shall we? I do want to get into the Ready One Player event because there is a place that has it, but you know, I did like literally before I made the second video, try to record this, and it won't even load in. So let's get into the video. Okay, no intro whatsoever. This is all not filtered. So first place I'm gonna go to is a Jailbreak. I should go in my own server because I ain't got time for this crap. oh. Unless I really just go. You're gonna learn how much Robux I have. Okay, I have more than that, and I'm not about to buy no more until the next paycheck. Okay. But anyways, let's get started, shall we? Going into Jailbreak, which is one of the most popular games right now. It's so we're gonna go ask police because I am not about to get on my phone and get on my other account and come in here and start and doing stuff. Can't multitask for another child. But let's go ahead and get in the helicopter. Okay. You know? The rest of the map not loading. Jesus flipping Christ. Where's my life? Okay, everything is freaking visible. Why? Okay, let's go ahead. Zoom the heck up out of there. You guys can see the thing, but I can't even see nothing. It's still loading. Oh my god, you're just a floating light bulb. There's a way to brighten up everything. No. I'm gonna stop being lame. Because I can't make jokes. I'm not in my life. But, anyways, we're going to this little area that, I'm pretty sure everybody has noticed by now. But don't know what. First of all, how do I can't even where the heck I'm going because I'm going the wrong map. It's not even on. But anyways, like I was saying, there is a place where it's just straight purple. Okay, I'm not even gonna say a place, an area where there is a meteor. Look freaking real in Roblox, girl. But we're gonna just do so over here somewhere. It's so laggy. I don't even know what to do. I drove here. There we go. Well, as you can see, there's a freaking rock that is glowing. I was going to say something with a Minecraft joke. I don't think nobody here plays it. If anybody knows the little rock that is colored, I don't know the name of it, but if you know it, comment down. So as we all notice, there is a number 1, which means, what does that mean? I don't know. It means first clue. Should write it down. You should screenshot it. Matter of fact, I can't even. Yes, I can. Well, I already did that. Screenshot. You know, save it to your files. Let me try it. Since I reset my whole freaking laptop. Would you open? Okay, we got. Okay, seriously? No. So I already. Jesus, if you don't go and click on this thing, what is going on with this laptop today? Hello, would you? Hello. Work with me. Thank you. Would you load? Would you load? No? Okay. Be petty then. Okay. Anyways. It's a little blurry, but it's all very obvious that I have already took a screenshot of this. Because it's here, honey. Here. So, because that's the first clue, it's always good to take a screenshot so you don't forget. But whatever it's supposed to represent, because it's a 1, which means, okay, meteor has hit. It's most likely going to be aliens, okay, or something. This is just a reminder. When meteors fall off the sky, or anything fall off the sky, what does it bring? Random things. So, because this is just the first clue, this is only in this game, we're going to have to try and like figure the rest out. And I don't have a screenshot of the first clue they gave, but it is a video and we're not about to watch it because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. No. Okay, no. We can do that. What? Let's go to the new clue they revealed. Rather by day or by night, you'll find conflict happening in all corners of this open world game. Open world game. Conflict. Whether day or by night. Now, there's some games that do have day and night in it, and some games do have, conflict. Jailbreak could be one that is conflict, but as the first clue, it says something about antagonizing. And if anybody want to know what antagonizing means, I don't know what that. It has something to do with, like, for example, if you keep poking at something, it's gonna pop, basically. Antagonize the character, meaning, okay, you keep taunting them in the fight, you're making them mad. So whatever that's supposed to mean, okay, I don't even know how to spell that word, because it ain't gonna work. So, the game that I know, because I did my research, is Tales from Valley. Okay, so, apparently they're supposed to be something in these mountains and whatnot. So, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go ahead. I already started the game, just to get a head start. Just, to start the game, we want to know how to play, because it will make you go through like a little tutorial. All you gotta do is double tap W to run faster. But, yeah. People won't know I'm recording, so I'm gonna be dying. And they're gonna slow you down and you die. It's too much. So, as you see, we already have our sword. Okay, honey. Breathe your life into sucking. Sucking runs. Run. You guys, I can't talk today. I don't really feel good. But I'm doing it for you guys, because you need to learn something about Roblox. Oh. Pouring lakes into rivers. So what we do, we just take water and just pour it. I'm convinced. They take a cup of water and just pour it. So now that we're literally somewhere at the beginning of the game, you're gonna go down here and okay. Now just double tap the W to run. I don't even know. Can I do it up there? Nope. Just the. And we're gonna go up here. I know it's dark, but as long as you're watching, you're able to see. We're good. So we're gonna climb up these little thingamajiggies. If you can't get in there, just zoom in and turn your Abby sideways and jump and stuff. So it's supposed to be up here, as far as what I heard. But if it's not there, just try leaving the server and coming back. I doubt it works. But see, you can't even see the comments. You gotta go all the way up here and stuff. Freaking get it. Lord Jesus. Don't look at me. Just zoom in, slide your way in and move. And nothing. It's supposed to be here. But I diddly squat there. So, yeah. That's like literally one place. And all I can say is that it was there in someone else's video because they found it. But then you gotta figure out how to get it. And it might just be a troll key. Or maybe just a little teaser, you know. Okay. You got a game. Can you find one similar to this that has it? Who knows? Honestly, I don't know. And if there's other places for it. Why am I in box? Okay. So that's literally what it will be. But obviously it ain't there. So we're gonna have to try a different game. Because Lord Jesus knows where the heck the key will be. Just make sure because now you can try somewhere now. What it is, I feel like the clues will be in a popular game. And this one just came out and it's already second most popular game. But I don't think the keys will be in any popular game whatsoever. So that means you're gonna have to find games by literally just typing some things in the search bar and trying to find where exactly and what game it should be in. And as you can see, that is one of the games that it would have been in. Apparently it's not there no more. So it would have to be something where, you know, you go in the game. It has to have some type of sacred place of healing, you know, when you're getting attacked. And people have antagonized you, means like attack you and get you frustrated on the way there. I don't know any other games similar to that besides, you know, medieval games and whatnot. That would probably be as close to it, but I doubt it's in there because medieval games, some of them are majority, some of them are roleplay games and there's no way. So obviously Tales from the Valley is in. It's literally not even. So it would be most likely in the 500s because there's only 500 people in there. Approximately around 500, between 500 and 600 people playing the game. But that's all I know. I will try my best to do more research and like figure out other games that might have it. Okay, because I have no idea what other games it could possibly be in. As far as that, that's just for the Copper Crown. They didn't release the second or the third one or even the star. And there's nothing on the leaderboard yet. So make sure you guys watch the video for the first clue. And read this as well. It's part of it. And it might change. You never know who will have it to get the crown or this thing. I think that's like the actual prize. After you get it, I'm really not sure. Okay, I really don't do events besides these things. But this is just the first, and we still have clues to find for the Copper Key because it could be anywhere in any game similar to Tales from the Valley. Make sure you really hop in any games and try your best to like find little clues here and there. Other than that, that's all I have for today. Until next time, bye!